Your brain is not fixed. It's not set by age 25. It's not something that just decline from here. Every single day, your brain is physically changing shape based on what you think, what you practice, and what you repeat. Scientists call this neuroplasticity, and it's one of the most important discoveries in modern neuroscience. Here's the wild part. This isn't motivational fluff. It's measurable. Research have literally scanned brain before and after new habits and watch the physical structure change. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use this to rewire your habit and confidence and an ability to hit any goal you want. What is neuroplasticity? Neuroplasticity is your brain's ability to recognize itself forming neural connections throughout life, not just in childhood. For decades, scientists believed the adult brain was fixed after a certain age. That theory is dead. In the 1990s and 2000s, research like Michael Merzenich show that the brain keeps adapting well into old age. On London, taxi driver found their hippocampus, the brain region for spatial memory, was physically larger than average people. Why? Years of memorizing London complex streets literally grow that part of their brain. Your brain works the same way what you repeat. A skill, a thought pattern, a habit gets physically reinforced. Whatever you stop doing get weaker. Neuroscientists sum it up in one phrase: neurons that fire together wire together. How does it actually works? Here's the mechanism simplified. Your brain has roughly 86 billion neurons. They talk to each other through connections called synapses. Every time you think a thought or perform an action, a specific pathway of neuron fires. The first time is hard, like walking through thick grass, but repeat it and that path gets worn down to smoother, faster. This happens through three biological process: synaptic strengthening, connection use often get stronger; myelination, your brain wraps use pathways in a fatty coating called myelin, making signal travel up to 100 times
faster.
pruning, unused connections weaken and get eliminated to save energy. This is why a habit feels impossible on day 1, that automatically day 60. You are not forcing willpower forever. You are building physical infrastructure. The benefits, once you understand this, the benefits are massive. You can build any skill at any age. Language, public speaking, you can revive anxious or negativity thoughts loop because those are also just neural pathways. You can improve memory, focus, similar to how London cabbies grew their hippocampus. You can break addictive or harmful habits because unseen pathways genuinely weaken over time. Research even shows neuroplasticity helps stroke patient regain movement because healthy brain region take over lost functions. This isn't about talent, it's about repetition in the right direction. How to use this to achieve your goal? Here's where it gets practical. If your brain rewires based on repetition, then achieve any goals comes down to controlling your four things. First thing is repetition with focus. Passive repetition barely works. Studies on skill acquisition show focus, attentive repetition builds pathways for faster than mindless practice. When you practice, remove distractions, pay real attention. The second thing is emotional intensity. Neurons shows emotionally charged experience form stronger, faster connection. This is why fear based memories from intensity, you can use this deliberately. Attach genuine excitement or meaningful to your new habit, not just discipline. Third thing is small consistent rap. Beat occasion big effort. A 2009 study from University College London found habit automation took an average of 66 days, but range was 18 to 254 days, depending on the person and behavior. Consistency matter far more than intensity. The fourth thing is visualization. Brain imaging studies show that mentally rehearsing an action activates many of the same motor cortex cortex region as physically doing it. This is why athletes visualize before competition. It's pre-wiring the pathways before real rap. How to change yourself, the actual step. Here's the step by step process to rewire any part of yourself. Identify the exact pathway you want to build. Be specific, not be confident, but speak first in every meeting. Shrink it down. The brain resists big jumps. Start small. It feels almost silly. Repeat daily. Same trigger, same time. Consistency create the myelin coating faster than intensity does. Track it. Visual proof of progress. Reinforce the emotional reward. Loop tied to dopamine. Replace. Don't just remove. You are breaking a habit. Neuroscience shows it far more effective to substitute a new response to the same trigger than to simply try to stop. Protect your sleep. Deep sleep is when your brain consolidates new neural connections. Keeping sleep undoes a huge chunk of the day's rewiring. Your 21 days neuroplasticity protocol. 21 days wouldn't make a habit permanent. Real automation takes longer, but it's enough to prove to your brain that change is possible and build a real early momentum. Here your daily homework. Day 1 to 7, pick one tiny goal behavior. Do it same time, same trigger every day. Write one sentence after it felt. Day 8 to 14, add 5 minutes of visualizing each morning. Mentally rehearsal yourself succeeding at your bigger goal in vivid detail. Day 15 to 21, add one replacement rep every time an old unwanted habits trigger hits consciously, perform your new behavior instead. Every night review, what did I repeat today? Did I do it with real attention? That's it. It's how real habit science works. Your brain is not who you were yesterday, it's being built right now. By what you repeat, choose the pathway, repeat it on purpose. That's neuroplasticity, and that's how you become someone new.